from Barangay San Vicente, represented by Hugpong Elementary School, Hugpong, sa mga Kabatan-onang San Vicentehanon sa Distrito Nuwebe.
Delicious delicacy here in Olango, the famous pan Bisaya. You know, if you taste it, you will surely forget your name, sir.
It seems like it's so delicious. Let me take a bite. It's yummy and has a unique taste. I never tasted like this before.
Pan Bisaya, pan Bisaya, pan Bisaya. Pagdilaw sa kuman, masitiyak na pagbahangoy na bahay. Ako kitilawan, lagian, ang upang, ang ito. Ating pahit na naman, iyang-iyang mo siya sa iyang balikan. Ihalik siya,
I love you.
Miss Beautiful, I'm just new here. Can you please tell me more about your place?
Our place has a lot to offer. First, our people here are very hospitable and friendly. Many tourist spots to discover in this island, such as marine sanctuary that has a very clean water beaches and colorful fishes and corals. We also have the bird sanctuary with different kinds of migratory birds. One of the oldest church here in Olango, the Santa Rosa Church, and the famous man-made forest, the Maribagini.
Oh, that's great. Hey, Miss Beautiful, is it okay for you to go with me to travel around your beautiful place?
Okay, it's my pleasure, sir. Let's go.
GARBO! Sa Lapu-Lapu, idali-dalang tayo dito. Sa Lapu-Lapu.
this award. You know what? I am very grateful. Magpasalamat ang punta ko sa mahal ng Bergen sa Regla because I met my husband. He was deeply in love, not only with me, but also to my beautiful island of Olango, ang Carbo Bisaya. I know his legacy is to remain as I will continue his writing channel. This time, I will make sure not just to promote the island of Olango, but also the entire city of Lapu-Lapu. Viva Bergen sa Regla!
Contingent number 9. Hugpong sa Kabatan-onang Vicentehanon sa Distrito Nuwebe. Represented by Hugpong Elementary School of Barangay San Vicente.